What up, my friends? So in this short video, I want to talk about negativity. Negativity is most people's default. And knowing this and understanding this, you need to use that to your advantage when you're starting your business and even operating your business. You need to ask yourself, what can I do to win when everybody is busy being negative? Because at the end of the day, you can never change what's happening outside of you, but what you can change is how you react to what's happening to you. You can't change the government. In fact, every time I see people protesting or complaining, I just laugh. I'm like, you're wasting your time. Why are you going to vote? Haven't we seen this movie before? Haven't we seen people march? And what happens? Nothing. People march, nothing happens. People vote, nothing happens. So what makes you think that your voting, your marching, your complaining is going to make a difference out here? You got to focus on you now. The game has changed. Clearly, nobody gives a crap about you. And trust me, nobody's coming to save you. I promise you. Nobody's coming to save you. Look at that as a blind spot that everybody has. And then exploit that blind spot. When people are being negative around you, you need to be able to protect yourself. Don't be too available to everybody like that, because you're leaking your energy. And when you're leaking your energy, it leaves you depleted. It leaves you depleted from putting that energy into winning. Because there's so many things that you can do in this new economy that can allow you to level up, to gain an advantage on the competition. I'm talking about AI, artificial intelligence. While everybody's complaining that the economy is struggling and all this stuff, you go learn AI, implement AI into your business, and watch what will happen to you. Watch how your life is going to completely transform. But you got to avoid the negativity though. When you start gaining some level of success, some of these negative people that like to complain all the time, that like to gossip, they're going to start to attack you. But you got to ghost them. You got to be able to pay attention to when somebody is very negative or when somebody's trying to attack you. And then you got to ghost them. Ghost them and go all in on your goals. Go all in on your dream. Maybe take like 6 to 9 months, even like 12 months. The greatest revenge when somebody comes after you is success. We've all heard this. The greatest revenge is always success. Not to argue, not to like go back and forth with people. You don't do that. Just put the work in and apply maximum pressure on it. I'm telling you right now, it's the best feeling in the world. It's the best, I'm telling you. Like, you pull up on them one day, or you come across them one day and you're doing better. What? There's no better feeling than that. And this is a feeling that I want you guys to experience. You put in so much work that your haters cannot even recognize you. You come out of isolation unrecognizable. That's the greatest revenge. So if you guys are ready for that feeling, if you want that feeling, you need to schedule a call. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Join my private membership group.